Hey Sharkian, how are you? I hope you all are good in every aspect of life. From the childhood, our parents tell us that don't trust anyone just by their appearance and their words. Words can be molded, it may not be true. And what if I tell you that sometimes parents are true? What if a founder, a CEO of a company broke her trust on her investors, doctors, patients just by saying wrong information, just by delivering faulty devices? Today, we are going to dive into the blood of Theranos. Now, you all are thinking, what is Theranos? Here it is. Theranos is an American biotech firm which came to innovate the blood test technology. It claimed that they had developed such blood test devices. They called it Edison blood testing device, which required only small amounts of blood and could perform quickly on widely large number of tests, such as measuring glucose levels, detecting different types of antibodies, even marijuana. So what would happen with such an extraordinary company which once valued over 10 billion? So let's get dive backwards. Back in 2003, Elizabeth Holmes founded this company, a strong, determined woman. She was then a student. No professor relied on her words that all blood tests would be done by a pinch of blood. However, despite all her struggling days, with the help of Robertson, one of her dean, she was able to raise fund for her company, and roughly 700 million USD raised by her in total funding till company's operated day. After working secretly in September 2013, the company announced a partnership with Walgreens to launch in-store blood sample collection centers. It got biggest hit. Forbes recognized her as world's youngest self-made female billionaire. Despite all of fame, what went wrong with her? In 2015, one Wall Street journal named John Carreyrou opened all her scandal after a secret long investigation over her. One medical expert, an ex-employee of that company, concerned about the lack of ability of performance in their devices. One former senior employee stated that only a small fraction of all the tests were conducted on Edison devices, and all tests were done by market available other companies' devices. Even it showed false results. Besides, Holmes showed false annual revenue report to her investor and client to manipulate. In March 2016, CMS, which is Centered for Medicare and Medicaid Services, banned Theranos for operating or owning a fully certified lab. Holmes and former Theranos CEO and President Ramesh Sani Balwani got charged by US Attorney's Office for the Northern District of California on June 2018. And after 4 years, Holmes was found guilty on defrauding investors and wire fraud and conspiracy to commit wire fraud. When, when someone uses a phone call, a fax, a mail, a text, or social media messaging to spread wrong information for operating a fraud scheme or use improperly someone's money or property, then he or she counts under wire fraud. It is a federal crime in the United States. So, as the US laws, she sentences for 20 years of prison and she is fined a huge amount of money. That's the story of Theranos and Elizabeth Holmes, who sold black blood. So if you want to support me, then you don't need to give me blood. Just like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.